What's going on, everybody? Another one of my rides here I just want to kind of introduce you to. 07 KLR650, all stock except for this hard bag here, and then some aftermarket dirt and grime, because I kind of neglect this thing as far as washing it. But we've had this bike for probably 6 years or more, and it only has 10,000 miles on it. But this summer 2020, hopefully we improve on that number. Those are rookie numbers. We can do a lot better than that. But this has been a great bike. It's not fast, it doesn't handle that well, it's not that great, not fantastic off-road, brakes suck, but it does everything. It does everything you want it to do. It'll go down the highway, it'll go through some trails, and it will eat up some gravel roads alive. And I've actually had it on some pretty serious trails, and it made it. It wasn't easy, but it made it. And I don't know, I love this thing. The only real upgrades I want to do would maybe be like a Trail Tech digital dash on it, and that way I have like a legit temperature gauge on there, and just clean the front end up a little bit, as well as maybe a filter, and then of course like some hard bags or removable hard bag panniers or whatever, because I would like to take this thing on some longer rides. But as far as kind of what I've done to it, as far as just little tinkering things and maintenance, it's just been tires. I put some brake pads on it, and then flushed the coolant system out just to kind of go through that. I've just got some smaller turn signals on the front. It actually helps a little bit with like the arrow on it. And then I've actually got rid of the pedestals on the rear turn signals, so that moves in closer to the bike there. You can see it kind of gets rid of the gap. And then that was just kind of in the name of wind resistance, because I mean these things aren't that powerful, so any little thing you can do to get them to cut through the air a little bit better actually makes a little bit of a difference. But hopefully this year we can do some more rides on it. I'd love to get it down to Arkansas. I'd love to maybe do a little bit of the Trans-American Trail or something, but who knows? It's all up in the air right now. Yeah, these things are pretty good. You can pick them up real cheap. So far I've beat the crap out of this thing, and it's taken it. Nothing's ever broke on it. It's been great. So yeah, just kind of walk you around this one and see what you think. I know these are real popular, a lot of people have them, but my experience has been great with them. Maybe yours hasn't, I don't know. Some people love them, some people hate them, but I don't know, I'm quite fond of this thing. It's taken me whole lot of miles down some gravel and pavement. So yeah, you'll see more as the season goes on. So thanks for watching.